everyone, my name is Jusisia. I'm informatics student from University of Papadhalan. In this video, I will demonstrate an Android application called Smart Attendance System. This application is designed to simulate a simple digital attendance system for students. During this demo, I will focus on how the application works, how users interact with it, and how the system processes data. I will explain everything step by step while showing the application on the screen. Now, let us start by looking at the user interface of the application. As you can see, the interface is very simple and clean. This is intentional so users can easily understand how to use the app. At the top of the screen, we can see the title Smart Attendance System. This title tells users correctly what the application is about. Below the title, there are two input files. The first input file is for the student name. The second one is for the student ID. This file allows users to enter basic student information. Next, we can see a drop-down menu or spinner. This spinner is used to select the attendance status. Users do not need to type anything here. They just choose one option. Below that, there are two buttons. The first button is attendance, which is used to save the attendance data. The second button is Show Attendance Summary, which is used to display all recorded data. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, there is an empty text area. This area will be used to show the attendance summary after data is processed. Overall, this interface is designed to be simple, user-friendly, and easy to demonstrate. Now, I will demonstrate how to input student data into the application. First, I click on the student name. Example, I type my name. Now, move on to student ID. I type my student ID. This step represents how users provide input to the system. The application depends on this input to work correctly. If the user does not enter data, the system cannot process anything. Now I will try a small test. I will leave one of the files empty and press the Add Attendance button. As you can see, the system saw a warning message. This means the application is checking user input before saving data. This is important because it helps prevent mistakes and incomplete data. I will type again. Next, let us focus on the attendance status selection. I click on the drop-down menu, and we can see three options: present, execute, and absent. Three options represent common attendance condition in real situation. Users simply select one option instead of typing it manually. For this demo, I will choose present. These choices will be stored together with the student name and ID. This part shows how the application simplifies user interaction. By using a drop-down, the system reduces typing error and keeps data consistent. Now I will press the Add Attendance button. At this moment, the system starts processing the data. The application checks whether the name and ID failed or filled. If everything is correct, the system saves the data. As we can see, a confirmation message appears saying that the attendance has been added. This message tells the user that the action was successful. This is an example of decision-making the system. If the input is complete, the system expects the data. If the input is incomplete, the system rejects it. Now I will repeat the process with another student. I enter a different name and ID, and this time I select absent as the status. Again, I press the button and the system saves the data successful. This so the application can handle multiple input and decision. Finally, I will demonstrate how to view the attendance summary. I press the Show Attendance Summary. Now the application displays all attendance record on the screen. We can see each student's name, ID, and attendance status correctly. This summary helps a user quickly understand attendance information. In real situation, this feature is useful for teacher or administrator. If no data has been added, the system will show a message saying that no attendance data is available. This helps avoid confusion and improve user experience. Now I will explain the code of the project. The project has two main files. The first one is MindActivity, which handles all the logic of the application. The second one is ActivityMind, which is used to design the layout and the appearance of the app. These two files work together so app can run properly and respond to user action. The user interface is designed using ActivityMind. The Mind layout uses a scroll view, so the screen can be scrolled if the content is too long. This makes the app more comfortable to use, and different screen size inside the scroll view. Vertical layout is used to arrange all components from top to bottom. At the top of the screen, there is a title that says Smart Attendance System. The title is big, bold, and considerate, so user can easily understand what the app is about. The color and spacing are chosen to make the app look clean and simple, not too crowded. The student input selection is placed inside a card view, which give a modern looks with a rounded corner. In this section, there are two input files. The first one is for the student name, and the second one is for the student ID. The student ID field only expect number to avoid input mistake. Below the input file, there is a spinner or a drop-down menu. This spinner allows user to choose the attendance status. The available options are present, execute, and absent. This makes it easier for user because they're not to need to type the status manually. Below the input section, there are two buttons. The first button is Add Attendance, which is used to save the attendance data. The second button is Show Attendance Summary, which is used to display all saved attendance record. Each button has a different color to make their functional easy to recognize. At the bottom of the screen, there is an output area inside another card view. This area contains a text view that shows the attendance result. When data is available, all attendance records are displayed in a list format. If there is not data yet, a message will appear saying that no attendance data is available. Now let's talk about main activity. This controls how the app works. It connects all UI components such as input file, button, and text view. To the Kotlin code, without this file, the app would only show the layout but would not do anything. The app uses a simple list to store attendance data. Each attendance record is saved as a text line and includes the student name, ID, and attendance status. This list can store multiple records while the app is running. However, the data will be lost when the app is closed because it is not saved permanently. When the Add Attendance button is pressed, the app first checks if the name and ID fields are empty. If one of them is empty, a warning message will appear. If all files are filled, the app accepts the data into the list and clears the input file so user can enter new data. When the Show Attendance Summary button is pressed, the app checks the attendance list. If the list is empty, it shows a message saying there is no data. If the list has data, all attendance records are displayed on the screen in clear and readable format. The workflow of the app is very simple. User enters status information, choose attendance status, save the data, then view the summary. This simple flow makes the app easy to understand and suitable for beginner Android project or classroom demonstrate. In conclusion, the Smart Attendance System is a basic Android application that shows how to use Kotlin and XML together. It demonstrates simple UI design, user input handling, button action, and basic data storage. This app can be improved in the future by editing features like saving data to a database or editing attendance record. Now that's it for me. Thank you for watching. I hope this video help you understand about Android Studio and file main activity and activity main XML.